Okay, so the perennial question of technology adoption is buy versus build. And this is so important in the advancement of generative AI. The simplistic framework that organizations can use to explore the buy versus build in the generative AI is transforming the core or transforming the customer experience. Now, for the first aspect, transforming the core, I think organizations can adopt the innovations which are provided by independent software vendors, such as, for example, like ServiceNow, Salesforce, Workday, and others who have invested significant capital in R&D to fine-tune the models and create domain-specific experiences. And those experiences can be adopted by enterprises without investing significantly in their own R&D. Now, the key to differentiate in that adoption is having clear processes, having a really good quality data to turbocharge the innovations that are powered by these platforms. Now, the second aspect is transforming the core. In addition to transforming the core, is transforming the customer experience. And that customer experience could be on top of your core business value proposition, or it could be in the adjacency, but based again on the value proposition that you have in the core. Now, what would that entail? I think apart from having like solid core, you need to have like a solid data store, and it could be lakehouse or any other format where the data is really represented well, cataloged well, and easily accessible. At the same time, creating a experience based on user journeys, again, very foundational element, and then adopting generative AI in the process of the journeys, partnering with different channels which are emerging, such as the conversational commerce, or ensuring that the generative AI is right from the top of the funnel, where it aids with the customer product discovery to the completing the product purchase across different channels. So creating that experience using either custom models or domain specific models, again based on proprietary data, is critical. And for that requires significant experimentation and building the organizational muscle in building various experiences, trying and iterating faster to create that experience. So to summarize, like there is a one aspect of buy versus build is transforming the core, and the second aspect is transforming the customer experience. And regardless of the industry, whether you are in heavy industrials or just information-based industries such as financial services or legal, you can use this framework and ensure that you make the right choice. And finally, the thought I want to leave with is there's a different uh, commentary around adoption of AI or lack of ROI. I think rather than investing significant capital upfront, having smaller iteration, empowering your team members both within the technology group as well as in the business groups to carry out smaller scale experiment is invaluable, and then stitching that together to have like a transformative experience for the organization as well as the customer is the key. Keep experimenting, keep pushing. Thank you.